Hey, I don't know what else to say, guys. Another day, another 55-point move captured. I love it when trading feels this easy. We're offering one-on-one coaching sessions that will help you get more than accelerated on your journey of day trading. This is an actual skill that even a child can learn. You see, once under your belt, this becomes a life-changing money-making skill that will never go away. So as you watch the following video, think about being able to change your family's life by putting in the effort to learn something new. In today's day and age, everything is at your fingertips, and that means it's also all in your hands what you want to be. The only question is, how bad do you want it? Enjoy the rest of the video. What is up, my good people? We are in the middle of a trade. Just got the recording software up and ready. Wasn't even thinking of recording this trade, but I thought it would be a great example to show you guys of a trade that I was taking off of a fair value gap in consistency on a key level. So I want to break down what that looks like. If we zoom out here to the 1 hour time frame, as NinjaTrader kind of loads here, 1 hour time frame, here we go. We have a key level that we came up to, right? And once we came up to this, we kind of retraced down into an order block here, and then we had the bottom of this key level start to show some respect down here for this level, and then we are retracing that retracement, if that makes any sense, right? But this is our 1 hour fair value gap. Basically, the midline was respected. We came back down, retraced it, and then came back up. And we're aiming to either get some of these highs up here, right? Or this high all the way up here, right? So just depending on our time and our ability to be at the charts right now, we'll either take the current profit that we see here, or we'll go ahead and take some other profit if we get there fast enough. The main thing here that is kind of causing the the difference in whether or not we take the profit is we're coming towards market close. Market's kind of closing pretty shortly here, and we're probably getting that last few pushes before we kind of fizzle out with price action. So that's kind of the whole thesis behind everything. Nice profit here that we made. We got in at 316. Price is now at 354. So very nice move here, lots of points, and we just decided to get in on a small position here. Now imagine if we actually put in some real size. Look at that, wonderful. Price is now shooting towards our price target just as we thought, and we love to see that. I'm moving up my take profit right here because, well, we'd just love to lock in these profits. But if we get like another quick movement here, I'm probably just going to take that price here as well. So love to see that. Hopefully we can hit our price target as we come up.
Target filled.
Target filled. Love to hear that sound. So target filled, and yeah, this is one of those moves apparently where price is really just sending up forward. I really thought that going into the day we had some of these highs to aim for. It. Those are our targets, and yeah, this is just coming towards the end of the day. We just finally hit that, and yeah, we were profitable on that move. So if you guys want to learn how to trade like this, be able to read price action and be able to make as much money as you would like to based off of your risk tolerance, go ahead and check out the link in our description. We're offering trading one-on-ones and the opportunity to ask me any questions and to get a itemized game plan on how to fix your trading so that you can become a profitable trader as well. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.